If your yard feels dry, patchy, or just plain dull, planting grass seed can flip the whole look in just a few weeks. A fresh layer of green changes everything. Suddenly, your space feels alive. It softens the edges, adds color, and makes your whole garden feel welcoming. Grass seed works fast. Whether you are filling bare spots or starting from scratch, it gives you a full lawn without the high cost of sod. It is affordable, easy to spread, and it works. With the right steps, you can go from patchy dirt to soft green grass in no time. That means fewer weeds, better curb appeal, and a yard you enjoy stepping into. Before you grab a bag of seed, take a moment to look at your yard. Does it get full sun? Partial shade? Mostly shade? That matters. Some seeds love sunlight, while others are better for shady areas. You also want to choose between warm season and cool season grass depending on where you live. Most seed labels will tell you. Some even come with starter fertilizer already mixed in. Keep it simple. Just match the seed to your sunlight and your season and you are already halfway there. The best time to plant grass seed is in spring or fall. These seasons give you the right balance of rain and mild temperatures. You want to avoid planting in the heat of summer or during freezing winter days. Spring gives the new grass time to grow strong before hot weather hits. Fall gives it a head start before winter dormancy. As long as the ground is warm and there is no frost in the forecast, you're good to go. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They toss down some seed, water it once or twice, and hope for the best. But new grass needs a bit more care than that. The key is surface contact, light coverage, and consistent moisture. Start with a clean surface. Break up any leaves, sticks, or leftover grass. Then loosen the top inch or two of soil using a rake or shovel. Smooth out any low spots and test your soil's pH if you can. It should be between 6 and 7. A smooth, loose surface helps the seeds stay in place and grow roots faster. It is a small step that makes a big difference. Next, spread the seed evenly. Use a hand spreader or just your hand if you are working on a small area. After that, gently rake the seed into the top layer of soil. You do not need to bury it, just tuck it in slightly to keep it from blowing away. Then add a thin layer of straw, mulch, or compost on top. This helps keep the moisture in and protects the seed from birds and wind. Keep it light. Too much cover can block sunlight. Now water thoroughly right after planting. Then for the next 2 to 3 weeks, keep the topsoil moist at all times. That usually means watering lightly once or twice a day. You do not want puddles, but you also do not want dry spots. As the grass begins to grow, slowly switch to fewer, deeper waterings. Early consistency is everything. It is what helps the roots take hold. Want to boost your results even more? Mix in a little compost or a starter fertilizer when planting. Just a small amount is enough to feed those young roots and speed up growth. It is an easy trick that can double your success without adding much cost. In the first week, you might not see anything. Around day 10, tiny green shoots start to appear. By week 3, your yard will begin to look fuller. Be patient, even if it looks slow above ground. The roots are working hard below. Stick to your routine, and you will see real results. If birds start eating your seed, use netting or lay down a light straw cover. Got patchy spots? Just reseed those areas. If weeds pop up early, hand pull them. Do not use any weed killers yet. Those can damage the tender new grass. Keep it simple and stay the course. Most small problems will sort themselves out. Once your grass is established, mow regularly, but never too short. Set your mower to a higher setting to protect the roots. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. And feed your lawn every few months with a balanced fertilizer to keep it green and healthy. You do not need a big budget or a landscaping crew. Just a plan, a bag of seed, and a few days of care. Start today. Your lawn will be greener, softer, and more alive in no time. You are just a few steps away from the perfect yard, and yes, you got this.